So, what's up mga bigaw? Welcome back to my channel. This is DJs and I have another video, no? But before we start, click yung subscribe button and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong videos ko. So, what's up everyone? Kumusta kayo? May bago akong video na i-share sa inyo at itong video na to ay inspired sa isa ring hinahangaan kong vlogger na si Mimiya. So, since sumali na si Mimiya ng Idol PH Idol, so, di ba nakatagawak siya ng 4 years kay Regine James, Vice, tas kay Moira. Sumali din ako nun. Actually, ako yung sumunod na audition. Tatanggap kaming dalawa sa audition. Pagkatapos, after nung round na yun, hindi na ako nakapasok si Mimi na nagpatuloy. So, I decided na magpapatuloy ko pa rin yung skincare ko kahit hindi ako nakapasok sa Idol PH. So, I decided to go to America. Tinulay ko yung America's Got Talent. Yes. And luckily, pumasa ako sa audition. Wow! So, papakita ko sa iyo kung paano ako nag-audition sa America's Got Talent. Again. Whoosh!
What's your name, please?
Good evening, America. This is D. James from Philippines and I'm 23 years old.
Cool. Yeah. I'm gonna guess you're a singer?
Yes, Simon, I am. Do I look like a dancer? Yes, I am a singer-singer.
And who was your inspiration as an artist?
My inspiration is actually it's a Filipino artist, Moira.
Yeah. All right. Well, good luck. We're all rooting for you.
Yeah. Di mo siya alam. Try mo rin kasi manood ng mga OPM para makilala mo si Moira. Anyway. Thanks, Simon. I love you too. Come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are. I had to find you, tell you I need you, tell you I set you apart. Tell me your secrets and ask me your questions. Oh, let's go back to the start. Running in circles, coming up tails, heads on a science apart. Nobody said it was easy. Such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be this hard. Oh, take me back to the start. was just guessing the numbers and figures, pulling the puzzle apart. Questions of science, science and progress do not speak as loud as my heart. Tell me you love me, come back and haunt me. Oh, and a rush to the stars, running in circles, chasing the tails, coming back as we are. Nobody said it was easy. It's such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be so hard. I'm going back to the start.
How are you feeling now?
Thank you, Simon. It feels, I feel just like I'm performing the house. It feels like I'm just in front of a mirror. Yeah.
Sing from the heart. You wore your heart on your sleeve.
Your heart, and I felt your passion, and that's what art is.
I love people who can reinterpret a song. It was incredible.
Howie, yes or no?
I gotta give you a yes.
I know it, Howie. You're gonna say yes. Yeah.
It's a yes for me.
I know you're gonna say yes too. Gabriel. Thank you.
1,000% a yes.
Thanks, Jillian. How about 5,000%?
Coming. 4 yeses.
I know, Simon. I deserve it. I deserve to have a 4 yes. Okay. Thanks for that compliment. Thank you, America.